that's weird. I didn't want it to do that. But it did. I didn't ask it to. It just did. Well, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something that arrived in an exotic nudes box. Wow, it didn't even get my settings right. Wow. Paldo cheese Ramyun. Hanguk Ramyun masaseo. Dukbuki. But anyways, yeah, good stuff, and we're gonna cook it. So let's do exactly that. I just got a spam phone call. Didn't care for that. We can have your funds in your account immediately. You can have all these funds. Some kind of loan deal. I don't like money. Rather, I don't like to borrow money. I follow the methodology. If you don't have the money, you can't buy the thing. So if you don't have the money, you can't buy the thing. I want the thing. Do you have the money? No. Well, you can't buy it. That's You can get the money. Wait a second. Well, I have to give the money back? Yes. Okay, then I can't buy the thing. I just want to have the money and then buy the thing. Oh. We can do financing? No. That's my favorite, when you can, what is that thing called? Finger Hut. Finger Hut is where you can go and you can buy like anything on time. You can buy like a cheese grater, like 5 monthly payments of like 89 cents. I'm not kidding. They have stuff like that. And it's called Finger Hut. Why? I don't know, but that's what it's called. Everybody wants something. Everybody wants a piece of what you have worked hard to get for yourself. And they're good at getting it too. And they will get it in the end. You just have to try not to let them have your stuff. Just gotta watch out, man. They want to rip you off. They want it all. A lot of people just like to go, you know, there's people in the taxes, and the taxes are too high, and they take all your money in taxes. Oh, that's nothing. It's when you go to the store and you think, hey, I'm getting a good deal here by getting the economy pack, but you could buy 3 of the smaller cheese packs and get a better deal. Think about it. Per year, I would say people on average lose about $500 when they go grocery shopping, just because they don't look at how much the price per ounce kind of thing is. I'll have to say, knowing that, I am still one of those stupid people. But yeah. If it sounds too good to be true, if there's a way to make money on it, do it yourself. Exploit the undereducated. I don't know, there's just like so many things. Like, what did Nixon say? F the doomed. You know. I don't know, that's not how I feel about stuff. It's like, if somebody's in dire straits, you want to help them out, but you know, it's just like, how did they get into these dire straits? Oh, by being really stupid. By being willfully silly. Well, got a quote from somebody who was not willfully silly. Let's go with Momo Fukuando in his book of quotes. Number 45. The guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 45. Making an invention or discovery does not require massive facilities or funds. Very true. You don't need a lot of stuff to come up with a great idea and make a prototype. Unless, I guess, it's a highly technical item. I don't know. I think I just heard Miles out there going, "What are you talking about?" I don't know. But anyways, we got 40 seconds. It's hot in here. I bet you that's why the camera got all funky. It looked like it had a band-aid on it. It wasn't happy. Are you unhappy in there? I hope you get happy. It's important. It's very important to be happy. Very important. I like to be happy. I'm not always happy, but sometimes I am, and it's a good thing. For example, don't be a douchebag when it comes to saying that my videos are too long. That's a douchey thing to do. Maybe you don't want to watch a video so long. You could. Hear that? That's like the one thing that drives me nuts. You need to do this. You need to do that. You need to shut up. It's my show. I'll do whatever I want on it. But people won't like that. Tough crap. I don't care about what people like. Don't you get it? Haven't you figured that out by now? It's not about what people like. It's about being who I am and doing what I do. To do anything else it will invoke that term selling out. Oh, that smells good. This is not good food for the diet. No, no. Thick Paldo noodle. I always like their noodles quite a bit. Paldo and Otogi, I think, are the ones that make my favorite noodles, at least Korean. Jump up and down, put napkins on my head. Boy, oh boy, that's good. There's your broth. Brothy broth. Ooh. Five stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. So the deal with this stuff is it's spicy, not extremely, but spicy enough. And it's got a bit of a nice cheese hit to it. Sprouts of mung beans. Just stir that down a little bit. Time for mung bean sprouts in the soup. It's a fun thing to do. This is an old bowl right here, and it is a big bowl, and I think it was an expensive bowl. This one takes, noodle takes 550 mils of water. I don't usually, oh crap, cheese. Sorry folks, it's cheese time. Now we can only hope if we wait here for a couple minutes that this cheese will totally melt really nicely. It better. You better, cheddar. It's getting melty. I'm gonna sit here and relax for a minute while it melts. I hope you don't have a problem with that. I'm gonna crack open my cherry vanilla Coke Zero. Swelligant. Alright. Start piling it on. So if you were at my house, I would not only put one, come on, there you go, one slice, no, would you like 2 slices of chashu? No. You would get, for you, 3 big freaking slices of chashu, pork belly chashu, just like that. Because you're my friend. And that's what I do for my friends. I hook them up. And sesame seeds, thusly. I would also add in crushed red pepper. And then finally we would take a sweet little ride. And get on the sweet ride. Let's do this. Come on. Good angle, I hope so. We'll find out shortly. Yeah, that's hot. That might work. And here comes the holy slice. Sakes alive! Get on the camera? No. That's a lot of green onion right there, ladies and gentlemen. Holy moly. Zowie, zing, zing, zow, zow. I think my application method was a little too slow. Oh yeah, it's all over the side of the bowl. That's why I keep a paper towel on the side of the fridge too. Because unless I do, it'll get all over the side of the fridge. The holy slicer is a bit of an animal. Oh, come on. I want this to look nice, not like a big freaking mess. And to think, all of this that you see here will go right down the drain. Because I'm on a diet again. Does that make you seethe with anger? Does that make you want to just like, I mean, if you were right here, oh, totally, you could eat it. I'm not throwing it away because I don't want anybody to eat it. I'm throwing it away because I don't want to eat it. I mean, I want to eat it, but you know. I gained 50 pounds. I'm not eating this. I think a good part of it was chashu, too. It's super good stuff. Get off of there, mung bean sprouts. Come on. So right about here. Hey, about here? Oh, now you're talking. Getting in a sweet spot. You know, just don't fall into the soup. I think I need some oil on this. Boy, that is one good looking bowl of noodles right there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna toot my horn. Touch of mala seasoning right there at the end, ladies and James. I would love to sit here right now and have this bowl with you, but I have bigger fish to fry. Gotta record my wife's grandfather for his 100th birthday on radio from the San Francisco Bay Area. So that's what I'm doing now. But yeah, this one, if you can find this one, yeah, this is primo stuff. You throw extra cheese in it. It's just good. It's damn good. So. And then you get little cheese buddy. You need little cheese buddy right there. You see him? There you go. There's cheese buddy. But yeah, you can like put him in Photoshop, turn his mouth upside down, make it all mad and stuff. Hold the sign like, "Don't eat me!" Stuff like that. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, go on Facebook, go to the Ramen Junkies group, and join the group. Please, we'll let you right in. And do that, and be good, and rock and roll, and have a good one, and later, bye.